First of all, what is differentiation? Differentiation is the process of finding derivative of a function. But what is derivative? Derivative tells how a function changes of rate of change or slopes. Just so you know, there are three different techniques that are commonly used to solve the problems that will involve differentiation. First of all is derivative of a constant function. Second is derivative of a power function. And the third and the last one is derivative of sums and differences of functions.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alif Hamdan. Today, we will be solving question 2 from mat183 assessment. Okay, the first is they ask us to find dy dx for the 3x squared sec x plus 2. As you can see, in this question, there are product with two functions, where the first function is 3x squared. It is a polynomial. The second one is sec x plus 2, which is a trigonometric. We can apply product rule where they state it is u prime v plus uv prime. We can define u as 3x squared and v as sec x plus 2. While the u prime, we can differentiate the 3x squared and we will get 6x after that. For the v prime, we also can do, we need to differentiate the sec x plus 2 and we will get sec x plus 2 times tan x plus 2. After that, we can add all of the derivative and all of the function into the equation. Then we will get sec x plus 2 plus 3x squared times sec x plus 2 times x plus 2. We can also factorize the equation to get a more simpler and more cleaner answer, where because they are same sec x plus 2, which is the common factor. There are two same sec x plus 2, where it is the first function and the second function. And after that, after we factorize, we will get sec x plus 2 times 6x plus 3x squared times x plus 2. This is the final answer. For the second question, we need to find the dy dx for the y for x plus 2 per cos x. By this, we can use constraint rules. This is du prime minus uv prime per v squared. We can define u as a 4x plus 2 and v as cos x. For the u prime, we can differentiate the 4x plus 2 into 4. The s disappear because this is x times 0. If anything times with 0 will become 1. Because of that, we don't have to write down. For the v prime, we differentiate the cos x and we will get negative sin x. After that, we will put all of the derivatives, all of the u and v prime into the equation. And after that, we can simplify the equation into 4 cos x minus 4x plus 2 sin x per cos square x. That's all for me. We continue to question 3.
Hi, back with me again. So, I will be solving the second or question 3 of the example that will involve differentiation. So, the question is to find dy over dx using implicit differentiation. First, we should separate them into 3 sections and differentiate each of them using the left hand side. After we differentiate, we should be combine all of them, all of the 3 sections, and we should get the answer like what we have given in the screen. That's all for me.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Shahra Kamal bin Kasharde. My student ID is 2023641986. Today, I would like to show you how to solve question number 4. It is about linear approximation. So the question is, use linear approximation to estimate the value of square root 4 80.99 minus 2 over square root of 80.99 to correct to 3 decimal points. So firstly, you have to search for the function equation first, which is fx equal to x the power of 1 over 4 minus 2x power of negative 1 over 2. And the a is 81, which is the closest point, and the x is 80.99. So number 1, you have to search for the fx, which is fa, which is f81 equals to 81 with the power of 1 over 4 minus 2, the a is 81 and power of negative 1 over 2, and solve it and you will get approximation is 2.778. And number 2, you have to solve for f prime a, which f prime a is f prime 81 equals to 1 over 4 x negative 3 over 4 plus x to the power of negative 3 over 2. And when you solve it, you will get 0.01063. And step number 3 is you have to solve for the fx, which is the formula of linear approximation, which is fx equals to fa plus f prime a multiplied by x minus a, with a is 81 and x is 80.99. When you solve it, f 80.99, you will get f81 plus f prime 81 multiplied by negative 0.01. So when you solve it, you will get 2.778. How do you get negative 0.01 is x minus a in the equation, which is 80.99 minus by 81, and you will get the negative 0.01. That's all from me. Thank you.